I'm going to show you how to use oak logs in your log burner and get an absolute roaring fire that lasts for ages. So first up, we've got to light a fire. Oak's not brilliant for fire lighting, that's the point of the video really. You can do it, but it can be pretty hard to get going. So I'm going to light a fire with some of this ash, we're going to let that burn down to embers, and then we're going to get our oak in there. Right, that's lit. Door's going to be open for a little bit. It's time to go grab a brew, and we'll be back when that's burned down to embers and we can add our oak. Right, last the embers have died out now on that ash. We're going to knock the embers down into a bed and we'll get some of our oak in. That's an absolutely perfect bed of red hot embers ready to take an oak log. So there you go, the oak's caught pretty quickly. Wood burns through a process called gasification, and that's gas escaping from the wood, and it's the gas that burns rather than the wood itself. With oak having such a dense structure, getting that process of gasification started is harder. So if you try and do it for a cold start, it takes a lot longer to get going, whereas as you can see, we chuck that into a hot bed of embers, it gasifies and it starts burning straight away. You'll see that the active flame on oak actually burns out a lot quicker than something like ash or beech, but the log itself and the embers burn for a lot longer. So what I like to do is actually mix maybe one log of beech and one log of oak, or alternate them. That way we get a really nice balance of a strong active flame, but a really, really long lasting ember bed. That's it, oak logs in the log burner, easy when you know how. Please give us a like and a subscribe for lots more log burner and fire starting tips, and I'll see you soon.